Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That can't go in your mouth. No.
He's trying to eat it.
No. That's your toy. You gonna clap hands? Wow. Good boy. Good exercise. You holding on to it? That's your toy. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Good boy. You holding on to his very tight.
I'm not gonna let go.
He's holding on to it.
Ah!
Oh. Good boy.